Now let's show how a fireplace is installed against the wall. First of all, put the hearth first, and then put the two legs. And the two legs must be kept the same distance from the center, or same distance from the two edges of the hearth. And now put the back panels. The back panel will be adjusted to the size of the fire, no matter it's electric or a gas fire. And temporarily, it should be glued by paper, glue paper. Remove that paper. 把那个纸拿掉. Yeah. So now you can see the installation is very easy and it's completed. Now we put the insert fire inside. So you can see the back panel, and you can see the rebate, you can see the fire, you can see everything. So the whole installation could be demoed like this very easily.